Hello everyone, this banana eating in the roadside. This
It is.
we are hungry now. So that
Hungry, so we have no food. So we are eating there.
we eating this
Banana.
banana. Yeah, banana. Hey, welcome to my channel. Because we are very hungry, so that we are eating the. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the rice, the COVID relief fund rice for Zeme areas. Free rice for Zeme areas. So now we are loading finish, and now after packing the vehicle, we start going till just now evening time. To arrive, we have to stay in the tonight. We are staying in the jungle, and tomorrow we arrive in that place. Zeme subdivision. Some sort of này thôi. Này, phải điểm sổ đừng đi này. So
There is too hot because of what to say.
yeah, it's too hot, double hot. I'm also very hot, but my driver seat is having fan. Driver seat is still cooling, but outside is very hot. What shall we do? We work for nation, work for the people. This, what to say? I don't know to speak English also. Zeme có English là sao chỉ to đó. Zeme có sao chỉ to đấy mà cái English là sao chỉ to biểu đó. Sao có biết thế vì cái aja ni relief COVID fan relief COVID-19 có relief bị free nè. Pero bang obi ra mình đây. Suy đây. Mà đi bao nhiêu? Cái này nha rửa phun bao. Kiểu đó.